I'm here in Carrollton, Texas, February 15th. Probably the coldest day of 2021 so far. And it is about a negative 15 degree wind chill. I think I'm the only one out here, judging by the footsteps that I'm the only one making. And I can't even see the sidewalk. Let me show you. This is about Trinity Mills Road, which borders the George Bush Turnpike and an I-35 corridor. About 9:30 in the morning. Excuse me, I'm trying to figure out where the sidewalk is, and it's very hard to find that. Let me get a sub. Yeah, there's a lot. There's probably about 5 to 6 inches in this area. And normally there's many cars driving on a Monday morning, especially at this time going to work, but it is completely empty. Governor Abbott issued a winter storm warning across the entire state of Texas yesterday. And I believe that many companies are keeping their employees home, work from home anyway, outside of COVID, that is. Looking at these houses, you couldn't even tell this is really Dallas. Closer to Colorado without the mountains, to be honest. I heard on the news that there would be rolling power outages throughout the state of Texas for the next 72 hours because a lot of people are trying to heat their homes with electricity. I know many homes have natural gas, but also the majority of them use electric heat. And when you have negative temperatures like this, it's very hard to keep your house at a stable temperature, especially if you have poor insulation. So, and also they said the wind turbines in North Texas and West Texas, half of them froze. So we're dealing with half of the electricity generation that we normally get, and we've got unprecedented usage of electricity at this time. So it's like a double whammy. So far, my home has not lost electricity. My wife went to work this morning. She's a nurse, and she was driving, and there are pockets of Harry Hines that are without power, some with, and that kind of makes sense since they're preferring residential homes over businesses at this time. A lot of businesses are closed, so I think that'll be fine, but they still need to keep their pipes warm enough to prevent freezing and Yep. Lots of ice. I've been doing that all morning just for fun. But yeah, very dangerous conditions out there. Please don't drive if you don't have to. Hopefully you have enough food. I know the grocery stores had a shortage of regular vegetables, meats. Kind of preparing for this ahead of time. North Texas doesn't experience this too often, but when it does happen, it's very cool, but it's also a little bit scary. little thicker snow here. Yeah, it's gonna be like this for a few days. Look at that. But I guess this is a way of keeping people from catching COVID, right? Everyone stays in their home for reasons outside of COVID. But anyways, stay home, stay warm, stay safe. See you, DFW.